And what's that noise?
What in the woolly world?
Is it the Yeti?
Worse, a stampede! Run!
Oh, what? Oh, right. I can fly!
Kids!
Sam? Grab the Quake Claw!
Ooh, thanks, Kit.
What were those things?
Look, it's a herd of Himalayan tars.
What are who now?
Himalayan tars have thick woolly coats and live in big herds high on the mountain slopes.
Well, their fur definitely matches. Their smell matches too. But if they live up in the mountains, why are they down here eating everybody's crops?
Good question, Sam. Excuse us. We're from Clade and...
Run away!
Was it something I said?
They're heading up the mountain! Follow those tars!
Dead end!
Easy now!
We just wanna...
If you could just...
Oh no, which way now?
What do we do?
Jumpy things, aren't they? Better let old Wally handle this. Attention, my woolly friends. This is Wally Bangler, Nature Ranger, asking you all to take a deep breath. There you go. Much better. Food!
Aha! Quick! Over here! Uh-oh. Jump!
Food!
The bear just won't stop!
I'm not sure how much longer we can keep this up.
We're back at the creek.
Quick, use the log to cross over.
And watch out for the moss.
Well,
Wait, the log and the slippery moss.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
We could lure him toward the moss and then he'll...
We want food!
Okay, here goes. This way, Sam! Over the fallen log!
I just hope that bear doesn't follow us.
Food.
Sam! Kit! Hurry!
Gotcha! Oh,
Kit!
Oh no, I can't watch.
Sorry, Mr. Bear.
But we just gave you the slip.
Food.
Here, this should tide you over.
Ha! It worked!
The sun is so hot. The sand is so hot. Even the air is so hot.
The air! Why didn't I think of that sooner? The air around us has invisible water in it. Some desert beetles can pull that water right out of the air. And with a simple machine, we can too.
Great, but do we have a machine like that?
No, but I think I can make one.
Hope you can build it on the go. Here comes the hawk.
Run! Just try to keep him busy while I build this thing.
Cluebots, go! Circle him. Now zigzag and spin. I'm not sure how long they can keep this up. That hawk looks hungry.
I hope he at least seasons me properly. Nothing's worse than bland lungfish.
And done! It just needs a moment to pull some water from the air.
Kids, hurry!
You can't hurry science, Sam. Got it! Open up, Leonard.
Ha-ha! Watering hole, here I come!
Missed me! Too slow! Missed me again!
Leonard, here he comes!
Get into the water!
Not today, you oversized pigeon!
If this rain keeps up, it could start a... Huh? Listen! This way!
Judy, wait!
Johnny!
It could be dangerous!
Johnny? Johnny!
Judy?
Johnny, there you are!
Oh, Judy, I was just...
Huh?
What's that sound?
Get back! The rain's creating a...
Mudslide!
Johnny!
Judy!
Quick, we've got to save him!
Hang tight, citizen! We're coming to rescue you!
Kids, Clade Claw! Yeah.
Sam, are you okay?
Help!
Come on, Judy!
Hurry! Waterfall!
Here he comes! Judy, grab him!
Judy!
Gotcha! Can't quite pull him up!
Cluebots, go!
Still not enough!
Judy! Don't let me go! Oh!
Johnny!
I'm coming, citizens!
Huh?
Wally'll save ya!
Wally, be careful!
I've got you!
I'm all right.
The skewer!
Hey! Stop that skewer!
Here, Sam! Hoverboards!
Where'd he go? Thank you!
Hey, what are you doing?
Not again! Sorry!
Gotcha! Ha! We did it! We got the milk!
Huh?
Wait, this bottle's empty too.
Again? Oh, I go through all the trouble of stealing a milk bottle from those seals, but then there's no milk inside.
But if you're not stealing the milk, then who is?
No idea. All I know is that I've got to go find some new seals to steal from. Ah!